Welcome friends, I am Mohammad Tahir Ahmed from computerfever.com. Friends, we are learning PHP basics, and in previous video I told you about the global variables of PHP, and in this video I will tell you the usage of arrays and how can we make arrays and how can we use arrays and for what cause or for what purposes we use the arrays. So first of all, I will remove all this data and I will save this page. I go here, I click over save as, and I make a new page. I write here arrays dot php. I have duplicated this page on the name of arrays.php and I remove all this data. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I will change this page. So I write here arrays.php. I open this page and you are watching that this is totally blank now and it is default position. Now I go back to my Notepad++ code editor, and friend, I would like to tell you that we make arrays or we use arrays for calling multiple data. In variable we get only the single data, but we use arrays for calling multiple data. So now I tell you, first I make an array, a variable on the name of $computer is equal to, and then I write array, and you are watching that array text is blue, array parenthesis single quotes and semicolon to close, then comma, double quotes, sorry, not the single quotes, these are double quotes. You are watching that in this way you will make a variable and you will assign this array to this variable, and you will call multiple data inside this array. You will write array, then parenthesis, then semicolon to close, and inside this parenthesis you will put double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, and in this way you can make so many double quotes and you can write a lot of data inside these double quotes. So for example, as I have made the local variable on the name of computer, so I write inside the first double quotes, monitor is used for display data. Now I come inside the second double quotes and here I write RAM is used for memory. Now I go inside the third double quotes. You are watching that I am writing the multiple data and I have assigned this multiple data to one variable, $computer. So now I go inside the third double quotes and I write here hard disk is used for saving data, comma, I make one more double quotes, comma, double quotes, and I write here motherboard is used for functioning. Now I go inside other double quotes and here I write keyboard is used for typing, one more double quotes, two more double quotes, comma, and double quotes. Here I write mouse is used for controlling, and here I write speakers are used for voice. I have written just an example dummy text only to make you understand. And friend, you are also watching that at the end of last double quotes I did not put any comma, so you will also not place any comma at the end of last double quotes. Friend, now I will call this variable because I have given this array a variable on the name of $computer. Now I write echo double quotes and I make br tag and close br tag inside the double quotes, and here I write the spellings of what were wrong. What is the usage of monitor? Question mark. Now I make one BR for line break and I make a concatenate sign dot space space dot space $computer. I have called that $computer variable, square brackets, and I have put 0. Sorry, one more thing I would like to tell you, that you have seen I did not place single quotes inside these square brackets because I have written the integer value here. If I wrote here the string value, then must I placed here the single quotes, and inside a single quote I write the string value, right, like any text, because now I am showing the integer means 0. It will be 0 will be this value. This is the monitor. The first value we begin not from 1, we begin from 0. And I have put this BR for line break, one more concatenation sign. So I duplicate it few more time, and you also will have seen that you can make so many echoes. And here I will write 1 and second RAM, and the third one is hard disk. This will be the 2, number 2, and here I write motherboard, and here I will place the 3, the third value, and I come here and here I write the keyboard, here I write the 4, I duplicate it 2 more times, mouse, I change its value to 5, and speakers, and its value change to 6. So now I go to my Chrome browser and I will refresh this page. So friend, you can watch, I increased it is zoom so you could watch it easily. What is the usage of monitor? Monitor is used for display data. What is the usage of RAM? RAM is used for memory. What is the usage of hard disk? Hard disk is used for saving. So friend, in this way you can call multiple data with the assistance of this one array. So we use array for bringing multiple data, and then we define one variable to any array, our made array, and then we call that variable and we show the whole data. So friend, I would like to tell you one more method of making array. For example, I give a variable on the name of $countries is equal to array parenthesis semicolon and here I write that $countries square brackets 0 is equal to double quotes. For example, I write here Pakistan. Now I duplicate it few more times. Here I change its value to 1 and I write here India. The spellings of India, there is a mistake in spellings of India. And here I write Sri Lanka. America. Now I go to the last one. Actually, there is still a mistake in America spelling. Now it is okay. And Sri Lanka. Now I go to Pakistan. Change the Pakistan. First I change the value. And empty, remove. Here I write United Kingdom, mean England. Now I write echo to call anyone. For example, if I write welcome to space concatenation sign $countries square brackets. So friend, whatever the number, whatever the amount I will write here, for example, I have now placed here 0, then in my Chrome browser Pakistan will be shown. There will be shown welcome to Pakistan. I refresh the page, so you can watch here welcome to Pakistan. If I put some BR, then you will easily understand. So I should put some more BR here. So now you are watching that it is this sentence is separate from all the above sentences. Welcome to Pakistan. And if I write here, for example 1, then welcome to India will be shown on our browser. I refresh, then you can see that welcome to India. Whatever the amount you will have right here. If you write here number 3, then our browser will show welcome to America. Now you can see welcome to America is showing. So friends, this is one more method of making arrays and calling data. Now I tell you one more method. So if you write single quotes and you give the different names here, IND, I write here in spite of India, IND, here I write SRI, America, AME, and UNI. I just write here UK, yes, United Kingdom. And whatever you will write, if you write here first, for example, SRI, Control S to save, then browser will show welcome to Sri Lanka, mean welcome to Sri Lanka. So friend, you can also call your array, in this way. This was the second method of making array and calling your data inside the arrays. You can write here AME, you can write here UK, whatever you will write here, your browser will show that data. Friend, this was the lecture on making array and the usage of array. We use arrays for bringing multiple data. I hope you would have understood. So now I see you in next video.